Hi, dear viewers. In this presentation, I wish to introduce natural numbers. We know that the study of mathematics begins with the study of natural numbers or counting numbers. The counting numbers are 1, 2, 3, etc. These numbers are also known as positive integers. Usually, we write like this. It's called natural numbers, set of natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, like that it goes indefinitely. Some recent mathematicians they include 0 also into the set of natural numbers, but we plan to start with 1, 2, 3, etc. Now, what are the uses of these natural numbers? You use this for counting. For example, you say there are 5 apples in the basket. Suppose we have a basket like this, and in that, suppose we are having, say, five apples. We count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We say that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 apples. So that is the how we count. Another use of these numbers is for ordering. For ordering purpose we use. For example, suppose there are say 6 lines. We say that this is the first line. This is the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, etc. This is used for ordering first one, second one, third one, like that. So when we use the numbers for counting, it is called cardinal numbers. Cardinal numbers. The same set we can use for ordering, then we call it ordinal numbers. Ordinal. Another use of these numbers is for naming. For example, suppose we have, say, 7 children. In a group. We can name them by the numbers, giving them numbers. One is the name of one child. We can call them by numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just like giving roll numbers. Just like giving roll numbers in class. You call roll number 1, roll number 2, like that. These are used for naming. So when you say roll number 3, means it is the uh, name of the person. or child. He is given the name problem number 3. Like that way, you can use this natural numbers for this purpose also. Now, these natural numbers have some properties. You can define addition in the set of natural numbers. As I have told you earlier, this set of natural numbers is denoted like this. Like this. Natural numbers. Let it be. For example, you can take two natural numbers. For example, suppose you take 2 and take 3 and you can add them. This addition is denoted by plus sign. You know, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So in general, any natural number can be added with another natural number and the result is still another natural number. Or you can say a natural number. A natural number. Result is a natural number. For example, I have given the example. Give one more example. Suppose you have say 7 plus 10. That's equal to 17. 7 is a natural number. 10 is a natural number. The sum is also a natural number. Now, suppose we are adding the same number to the same number. For example, suppose you take say 5 and add it with the same number 5. In that case, you say that it is 2 times 5. 2 times 5. And it is denoted by 2 times 5 like this. And you know answer is 10. So actually this is the meaning of multiplication. Same number is taken and add 2 times. You get 2 times 5. That's equal to 10. You can have a 5 plus 5 plus 5 3 times. In short form you write it as 3 multiplied by 5 or 3 times 5. Answer is 15. If you add 5 plus 5 plus 5, this is 10. 15. 10 plus 5 15. Or you can add it like this also. 3 times 5 is equal to 15. Now this addition has got some properties. First property is called closure property. That means sum of two natural numbers is again a natural number. That is the meaning of saying closure property. Second property is commutative property. Commutative. It means you can add either 2 plus 3 or you can have 3 plus 2. Instead of writing 2 plus 3, you can write 3 plus 2 also. You will be getting the same answer. So this is called a commutative property. There's still another property. The third property is associative property. Associative property means suppose you have to add 3 numbers, say 2 plus 3 plus 5. So in order to add 3 numbers, first we have to add 2 numbers first, and with the result of that you have to add the remaining number. For example, here you have 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 and 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Now you can associate either like this or you can associate like this also. First you add 3 plus 5 and that result is added with 2. So you have 2 plus 8, that is equal to 10. You are getting the same answer. So since you are getting the same answer, we said that this is associative. Natural numbers is associative with respect to addition.